I feel bad. Honestly, I love Bag Balm. Bag Balm's freaking fantastic. I haven't used Bag Balm in any recipe I've done yet. So we're right about time to go and get itchy. Like that dry skin itchy. Like we're just on the precipice. Let's do a recipe for itchy skin. Like it doesn't matter if it's your ears, your rears, your feet, or your stink. It don't matter because this cream is gonna make whatever's itchy less itchy. I love me some Bag Balm. Like this stuff is fantastic, but we're gonna make it better because I like Bag Balm, but we can do better than Bag Balm, right? We're gonna add a little hydrocortisone to it. Now, I love Bag Balm. I really do love Bag Balm. 50% Bag Balm, 50% hydrocortisone. Here, let me put her down for just a second here. Well, that's not gonna work out. So, same amount of Bag Balm, the exact same amount of hydrocortisone cream. We're gonna use cream, not ointment. It'll spread better. It's a better spread better. Of all the spreaders, the best spreader will be this better than the last one. So, hydrocortisone, 30 grams of Bag Balm, 30 grams of hydrocortisone. With this cream, if you had a crack on the side of the mouth right here, and if your crack was itchy because of dry skin, it would work too. But also, if your hands are itchy. This has to do with dry skin being cracked and itchy. Wow! Wow! It works.